So what is the one most important aspect that you need to know to love and to be loved, to be in a relationship? And with that, in what I've told you the previous time, that with relationship we get a sense of belonging and we get a sense of connection, and that sense of belonging and that sense of connection gives us a sense of meaningful life. What is the one important aspect to reach that? So Brené Brown also in her research found that people that believe that I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of connection, I'm worthy of belonging, that's the people that can receive love, that can give love, and that step into belonging and into connection. Feeling worthy, feeling good enough, not better, not the best, but good enough to be loved, worthy for connection, worthy for belonging. That's the people that can experience it and can give it. If you don't experience life like that, that you are worthy of love, the good news is we have all the processes to help you and assist you to rediscover that truth again, so you also can live a meaningful life where you feel that the relationships, your relationship, is a place where you can belong and where you connect.